Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1964 Mgb Mark I Roadster that we currently have for sale. Wait for this truck to go by. Tartan red, Matador red interior, red soft top, 4-speed, wire wheels, whole door handle, chrome bumpered model, metal dashboard, and this car's been restored nicely to match its original BMIHT certificate. So real impressive here. Slightly older restoration. All the mechanicals were attended to by University Motors in Grand Rapids, Michigan. They did all the mechanical work, so the car mechanically is fantastic. Really drives nicely, everything up to snuff. I just took it for a drive there, and you can see me just whipping around confidently. Nicely sprung, great gearbox, engine, clutch, brakes, steering, suspension. Everything feels nice and tight and rebuilt on the car. The speedo shows 30-something thousand miles, but looking through all the extensive records the car has, I think it's been rebuilt, and the speedometer's turned over. But everything rebuilt at one point, you know, mechanically, cosmetically. Very nice paint overall. We'll take a slow walk around here. Hardly a nick on this car. I mean, very, very good paint on a great body. Just taking a nice slow walk around here. I'm trying to find any paint faults, and there's really not too many on this. It's a super good, honest, attractive car, you know, like I said, wearing that slightly older restoration, but still presenting really well. Chrome work is great. Michelin tires fitted to those nice original 60-spoke 14-inch wire wheels. Pretty good panel fit, good chrome. Just see how beautiful this car is and striking in this red color scheme. So windshield frame's nicely anodized, still crisp and nice. This rubber's in great shape. Windshield glass is excellent. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So really lovely interior on this one. It's got the original steering wheel fitted. Dashboard's been fully restored. It's been fitted with this original color red panel kit to the car. Seats here are beautifully trimmed in leather. Older wool carpet, but still looks very nice and original to the car. All the original style rubber mats. All the door handles are correct. Fresh door seal. But you can see whoever trimmed this car really knew what they were doing. Fitted with a red soft top. This car is optioned with the deluxe folding soft top frame, so you don't have to get out and, you know, assemble the two-piece top frame and put it in the peg and do all that theatrics. This is just the easy fold away deluxe soft top, which is a nice option. In the trunk here, you can see it's been painted crackle black. You know, you can leave that or either paint it body color or put a carpet kit or just leave it the way it is. There's a black tonneau cover here with the tonneau bars. I think there's also the jack and handle. But have a look at the still photos. You'll see how nice this car is all the way around. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. So under here we see this really nice, clean, original looking engine compartment. You know, pretty nice and tidy all the way around. You can see all the original tartan red. The engine's clean and detailed with those original style air cleaners. Engine runs great. Just took it for a drive. Once it warms up, it is a super nice performer out on the road. Rebuilt. So as I was saying, you know, fully rebuilt drivetrain over the years by specialists. We have all the receipts for all that information, all the mechanical rebuilding. You know, nice cosmetic restoration in the right colors. And there it is, 1964 Mgb Roadster, early pull door handle model, tartan red, Matador red trim, matching red soft top, black tonneau cover, 4-speed, wire wheels, very, very nice older cosmetic and mechanical restoration through the years here. Turnkey car ready to go, beautiful overall condition, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.